we have a lot of resident, as I would say, like general contractors on the show that just know shit. And they'd be like, oh, B, tell them this. So it's great. We're like an information fucking network here. And that's what I love, because I don't know everything, and I don't even be trying to act like I know everything. So that's why I love that people submit shit. And I'll be like, well, damn. It was funny because I was watching a video today that was submitted by a lady. Her dad retired, and he came down to Virginia and did her fix the storm door. And I was like, oh, I'm doing that shit next week, because the way I got my back door shimmied up, I need to buy one of them things. So, but I didn't really know how to redo it. And he did a whole. She said my show inspired him to start his own YouTube channel for retired people on like how to fix stuff. So he's like the retired dad showing you how to do like little. And it's because it's like shit I don't even know how to do. I was like, I need to watch that video again. So I told her I'm taking a picture. I'm putting it on the show next week of how I got my shit taped up with a piece of rope and a couple stuff so my snort door can snap back. But now that I know how to fix it by watching that video today, it's funny how I inspired him and he inspired me. So yeah, that's it. So that's what I love about the sharing and the information.